It's baking, it's cooking, it's making dinner with Matt. Hello YouTubers, Matthew2 here, and today in the kitchen we're going to learn how to make ramen. But before you learn, go ahead and click that subscribe button right under the video. Appreciate ya. Okay, so to make ramen, all you need is a pan. Not a pan, sorry, a pot. A pot. This is a pot. Then you need ramen. There's chicken and there's beef. Any other ramen is stupid and should be thrown away. You take said ramen, put it in the pan. This little sauce packet, don't put it in the pan yet. I'm a little heavy, so I like to have 2 ramens at a time when I eat ramen. I actually like ramen. It's like a good little comfort food. Reminds me of simpler times. Next, you add water. And you know what? Actually, we're going to stop that video there. If you can't figure out how to make ramen, you probably shouldn't be in the kitchen. It's not that hard. Bye. It's baking, it's cooking, it's making dinner with Matt.